Okay, so my name is Cash Gokhale. I'm a professor at Harvey Mudd College, and last summer we did this project at Bureausil, part of the Riggs Fellowship, and I'm so proud of these students. They have done some amazing work and a very impactful work. So go on.
So I'm Bohan. So last summer we worked with Puracell, a host manufacturer in Corona, California, with over 6 years of history. So as we walked into the program, Puracell was facing some problems with lead times and deliveries, and we fixed it using lean techniques and more specifically product flow layout, some technology integration, and other techniques. And Anchor will take over.
I'm Encore. We worked on several technology-related changes in their manufacturing process, as well as reorganizing the floor layout.
So through these changes, we were able to have a 70% increase in production and a 75% decrease in overtime hours, which overall combines to a $3.1 million increase per year for the company.
What a competitive advantage the company gained by us working there.